Smart Ink Compatible ink cartridges replacement for HP is designed for replacing depleted ink in specifically compatible printers. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, up to 2,000 pages per XL black, 1,600 pages per XL color cartridges, cyan, magenta, yellow. This matters most when evaluating the exact cartridge number and printer compatibility list. It also states, we provide exceptional customer live support daily, even on holidays. Use that detail to judge the difference between listed yield and real printing habits, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, verify every printer model in the compatibility list and keep the cartridge sealed until installation. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that compatibility is model-specific, and page yield changes with coverage, settings, and maintenance cycles. Anyone whose exact printer is absent from the compatibility list should not order this cartridge. Overall, Smart Ink Compatible ink cartridges replacement for HP best fits shoppers focused on replacing depleted ink in specifically compatible printers whose setup matches the supported facts.